Yep, you're about to do a weight loss workout, and you already know all the good stuff that happens after you lose weight fast. And you also know about all the bad stuff you're going through right now because you're fat. So actually, you're not here to lose weight. You're here to make all the bad stuff go away and to gain some good stuff in your life. So in 11 seconds, you're going to do jumping jacks as fast as possible to get rid of the bad stuff and to get some good stuff. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Doing jumping jacks as fast as possible. Remember, focus on why you're here. Focus on getting rid of that bad stuff in your life. Focus on all the good things that can happen to you after you lose weight fast. Keep going and look on your left and look on your right. No excuses. You got a seated version and you got a low impact, no jumping version. But whatever version you're doing, go all out and give it 110%. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, stop. All right, we're gonna have a short 20-second break. Then we're gonna do it again. Remember, every time I say go, you're doing jumping jacks as fast as possible. I want you to pretend like every 30 seconds, I want you to pretend that you can really lose 5 pounds in 30 seconds. That's how fast you want to go. 2, 1, go. Doing jumping jacks. This time for 20 seconds. All out. And again, no excuses. You can do snow angels. Whatever you have to do. Do you. Do your fastest. Do your best. And you will get results. Guaranteed. 2, 1, stop. Alright? That's my daughter. She started crying, so I gotta pick her up. But look, I'm not stopping. There's no excuses here. Because look, I need to lose weight. Do you need to lose weight or do you want to lose weight? I need this. Nothing's gonna stop me. 3, 2, 1, go. Again, doing jump jacks as fast as possible. Now look, that's what it's all about. Do you need this or do you want it? If you want it, you would have stopped by now. But if you need it, nothing's gonna stop you. Nothing. You're not gonna let that little voice in your head tell you to quit. You're gonna tell that voice in your head to shut up. I need this. I need to lose weight. I need to get rid of that bad stuff in my life. I need to get that good stuff in my life. I want it. Excuse me, I need it. 1, stop. All right, and look, that's the workout we're doing today. Going all out for 30 seconds, rest for 20. Going all out for 20, rest for 20. And we're gonna repeat this 9 times. It's a total of about 18 of these. And we do that for 13 minutes. 3, 2, 1, go. All out, fast you can. 20 seconds this time. Remember, as fast as you can. 10 seconds. Just doing jumping jacks, simple as that. 3, 2, 1, stop. Get a little 20-second break. And look again, when I say go in about 11 seconds, we're doing jumping jacks for 30 seconds. But I want you to truly believe you can lose 30 pounds in 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Right here, 30 pounds in 30 seconds. How fast would you go right now if that was really true? If that could actually happen? If you could be 30 pounds lighter in 20 seconds, how fast would you go? Come on, give every drop of energy and believe. That's the intensity level I want you at. 10 seconds. And look, if you're a beginner, anytime the clock turns yellow, you can stop. 3, 2, 1, stop. But again, even if you are beginner, if you truly need to lose weight, I don't think you're going to be stopping. Remember, if you truly need this, you won't be stopping all that much. As a matter of fact, you might be mad right now that you have to stop. 3, 2, 1, go. Right back to it. Just 20 seconds this time. Can you lose 15 pounds in 15 seconds? How about 10 pounds in 10 seconds? Can it happen? Show me can it happen. 3, 2, 1, stop. And look, as I always say, I'm going to be talking this entire time. If you get tired of my voice, see what I'm doing? Put on headphones, hit mute, use your own music, your own playlist, whatever you need to keep going. Because I hate my own voice. That's why I got headphones on. 3, 2, 1, Go all out. Right here. This is 30 seconds again. All out. Remember, we're not doing these simple warm-up jumping jacks. You're doing jumping jacks like you need to lose weight. Like you actually need it. Like your life depends on it. Those kind of jumping jacks. No warm-up here. If you needed to warm up, you should have done that earlier. All right, keep going. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Stop. Another 20-second break. Again, if you need to lose weight, you should be angry right now. You should be pissed off that we started. 10 seconds. And as a matter of fact, if you want to keep moving during the breaks, you can. 3, 2, 1. Go. As fast as you can. All out. 20 seconds. Keep going. Remember, don't let that voice in your head tell you to stop. Tell that voice in your head to shut up. Tell that voice in your head that I need this. Don't let that little kid in you make you stop. That little loser in you stop. Come on. Alright, here's a break. Again, if you're a beginner, you can stop right here because we're at the halfway point. So beginners, you can take a 90-second break. But I'm going to say it again. If you're somebody that needs to lose weight, there's no such thing as you being a beginner. No such thing, because you want this. You need this. You need it. Go right here. Keep going all out. That's what getting everything you got right now. You need this. Trying to get rid of all that bad stuff in your life. Trying to gain some good stuff. Remember, why are you here? Yes, you. Why are you here today? Why do you need to lose weight? You trying to get a brand new dress? You got a vacation coming up? Prom's coming up? High school reunion? 2, 1, stop. And look, like I said, you can keep moving during the break, but also if you can keep moving, then maybe you're not doing your jumping jacks intense enough or hard enough. You should be going so hard that you can't wait for the break, that you want to just relax. 2, 1, go right here. Remember, 20 seconds. Look, when this 16 seconds is up, you should want to stop and relax. That's how fast, that's how intense you should be going right now. You got to give it everything, all right? Everything. Remember, act like you want it. Act like you need this. 2, 1, stop. Again, if you feel like you can keep moving right now, then maybe you need to ramp up your intensity when you do the jumping jacks, okay? You should want to stop and relax. Get some water if you need to. Yeah, that's okay. All right, beginners, come back in. Beginners, rejoin us in 3, 2, 1, go. Right here. 30 seconds. That's right. Give it to me. Come on, where's that intensity? 20 more seconds. Look, when I say stop, you should be begging for the break. You should just want to relax. I want you to go so hard, so fast that when I say stop, you may have to sit down for 20 seconds. All right? Come on. Remember, it's all about, do you really need it or do you want it? 3, 2, 1, stop. Again, if you need it, I know that voice in your head is saying, hey, this is my first time, maybe I'm gonna take it easy. But if you need it, you'll tell that voice in your head to shut up. Tell that loser in you to shut up. Tell that little kid in you to shut up. Tell that little kid you're gonna do this. That you need it. 2, 1, go. All out right here. As fast as you can. Remember, I'm not trying to motivate you because you don't need motivation. Alright? If you actually needed this, like your life depended on it, do I need to motivate you? I don't think so. You wouldn't need it. 3, 2, 1, stop. Again, why are you here? Why are you here? You got a hot date coming up? Boyfriend, girlfriend, you're trying to look better? You're tired of getting laughed at? Whatever pain you're going through, think about all those things. Why are you here? 2, 1, go, all out. Again, 30 seconds. Come on, act like you want it. Remember, I want you to work out like you're trying to lose 10 pounds by yesterday. Or at the slowest, 10 pounds in 3 days. We're not trying to lose a pound a week here. Alright? We're trying to lose 10 pounds by yesterday. Come on, all out. Everything. 3, 2, 1. Stop. We got 5 more of these. Alright? Again, if you need this, after I said the words 5 more, you should have been angry. You should be pissed off that it's 5 more. Alright? But since it's 5 more and you're angry, give it everything you got. 2, 1, go. Alright, look. This is your last 5 before the beach. Last 5 before that high school reunion. Last 5 before the wedding. Last 5 to lose those extra 2, 3, 10 pounds. Come on, you got to do it. Come on, this is where you got to work. All right, the workout just started right here. 2, 1, stop. Again. 10 seconds, then we're going right back to it. You got 4 more. 3, 2, 1, go. All out. Come on. Keep it up, keep it up. 20 seconds. Come on, do you. Give it all you got. Think about all the good things that's going to happen after you lose that weight. Think about how you're going to feel after the workout. Think about how proud of yourself you're going to be. 3, 2, 1, stop. All right, we got 3 more. 3 more. You should be happy at this. Now, look at the left. We got a 20-second one, 30-second one, which is normal. But look, you see that bonus I got for you at the end? You got a 40-second one. 3, 2, 1, go. This is the 20-second one. This is the 20-second one. This is the easy one. This is the warm-up right here for you. This ain't no problem for you right here. Come on, 10 seconds. 10 seconds right here. 3, and stop. 2 more. 2 more. If you're angry right now, if you're mad that there's only but 2 more, then get angry and use that energy and go all out. Come on. Truly believe you can lose 30 pounds in 30 seconds. Right here. Go. 30 pounds in 30 seconds. Right here. You gotta go faster than that. Come on, you gotta pick it up. Are you going faster than me? Come on, beat me. And look, if you beat me, you can tell everybody that you are going faster than a world-class personal trainer. Come on, go all out. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, stop. All right, look, I'm sorry, but this is the last one. I hate to do it to you, but this is the last one, all right? Now, if you want to, you can start over and do this again, but this is the last one. If you're truly mad, take it out on this last one. 3, 2, 1, go. 40 seconds right here. Come on, 40 seconds. You're just doing the 20-second one twice. That's all it is. Keep going. Remember how fast you went in those first 10 seconds? Do it throughout this whole time. Alright, halfway, 20 more seconds. Make these last 20 seconds just as fast as your first 20 seconds. Come on, beat your first 20 seconds. Lose more weight than you did in those first 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Come on, keep going. Come on, you're right there. 3, 2, 1, stop.